So I want to talk a little bit about mini importation, especially importing from Nigeria. I am Niman Nambe in Ghana, and I do mini importation, okay, especially importation Nigerian goods, okay. Yes, I just want to say a little something about it to see if people will get motivated into starting their own businesses, okay. I make a lot of videos of food recipes, home remedies, videos on businesses, how to get independent as a woman, and also sometimes live vlogs, okay. Yeah, but yes, today I'm going to be talking about mini importation, especially importing from Nigeria, okay. So if you are interested in listening to my story about importation from Nigeria, keep watching and smash the like button. Of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe right now, because we are going to digest mini importation, especially if you have no capital. If you have no capital, you can equally start a business, okay. You can start mini importation without zero amount of money. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I started my mini importation for like 9 months now, okay. Yeah, it's actually like 9 months when I started importing from Nigeria, and I am enjoying it pretty well. I was not having any amount of money with me. I started with zero capital. Do you know what I was having? I was having just my phone and data bundle, and that is how I started mini importation, okay. I met a very good friend who happened to be my coursemate, and she introduced me to this mini importation, importing from Nigeria, importing from China, importing from Dubai, importing from Egypt and Turkey, okay. So yes, but then mainly I do the most of the importation from Nigeria, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you. Yes, so sometimes you have to meet people, and then when you meet people, you make good use of the time and energy that you have met with people, okay. If they are not going to give you positive energy, make sure you impact something positive in their life. If you are meeting people, yes, of course there are a lot of good people out there, and if you don't find any good person out there, make sure you be the good person to somebody out there, okay. So I met this angel who introduced me to mini importation, and it has been wonders. I was not having any money with me by then, but she encouraged me to start mini importation without zero capital. So basically what you do is that you get the contacts of the suppliers of those countries that you are going to be importing from. She gave us the contacts of those suppliers, and we were added to their WhatsApp groups, and in those WhatsApp groups they post those items that they are selling and the prices. Of course, it is in the country's currency. What you need to do is to know the particular rates of the currency, and then do the conversion for yourself. For example, in Nigeria, if a price of a fabric is 16,000 naira, then you need to convert it into Ghana cedis, add your delivery fee, and add your profit before you can post it on your social media handles. And that is exactly what we were told, okay. And it works well. Of course, every day you have to know the rates of the naira to cedis, or the rate of the cedis to naira, okay, so that you can price your goods. So basically I was not having any money to buy anything for a start selling. What we were told, what she made me do, is to start posting it on my social media handles. Then if someone is interested, then the person pre-orders, the person make payment for that particular goods, or that particular fabric, or that particular dress, and then when the person makes payment, I will pay to the supplier, and the goods are sent, okay. The goods are sent, and of course I will take my profit and then give the item to the person who ordered it. And usually from Nigeria it takes like 2 to 3 weeks. The highest is 4 weeks for items to come from Nigeria, okay. So I was doing that pre-order until I had some money with me. Then I added it. I bought items from Nigeria, and I had available goods, okay. You can actually start this thing with zero. Just make sure you have a smartphone, and you also have data, so that you can be updating your pages on Facebook, on WhatsApp, any social media handle that you can find, okay. Just keep updating, okay, especially WhatsApp, because you have a lot of contacts on WhatsApp. If you have a lot of contacts on WhatsApp, and you know, mostly those that we have their WhatsApp contacts are mostly people that are close to us, okay. So they are interested in whatever you are posting. Make sure that when you create your pages, you add a lot of people to the page and share the link for people to join. And if they are interested, they are going to give you the money and you are going to order that particular goods or items for them. Then you take your profit. And if you are wise enough, you take the profit, gather the profit, use it to buy something, order something from Nigeria. When it comes, then you sell it as available goods and people are really going to buy it. Okay, make sure you buy these trending goods, anything that is trending and people are liking it. Then you use your profit to buy it, and then when it comes, you are going to sell it and get profit on top of your profit. Yes, initially you started with nothing, but then you are going to use your profit from the pre-order to buy goods and also get profit on them again. So yes, just a little bit about mini importation, importing from Nigeria, Egypt, importing from Dubai and all the other places. Okay, just a little bit about importation. Thank you so much for watching. If you want another video like this about mini importation or pre-order business, please comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in my next upload. Bye.